Alright guys, welcome back to math, 6th grade, finding the percent of a number. Today we're going to be doing a shopping activity, and what I'll do is I'll go over Alfie's buy, and then it's going to be up to you to figure out Sophie's buy. Okay? So let's figure out what the directions want us to do. It says Ebriana is buying clothes for school. She needs 3 pairs of pants, 2 new shirts, 6 pairs of socks, and a new backpack. The two stores she has checked are both having sales. Help Aubriana decide where she should buy each item by finding the total sale amount she would spend for each item. Then under each store, list the items she would buy from it and the total amount she would spend there. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to find out how much each item is with a sale price. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to do our shirts. Okay, so I've made my list here for each item. I've got shirts, pants, socks, and backpacks. All right, so let's start with shirts. All right, and shirts are $24.50. All right, and what we're going to do is multiply that times the percent, which is 25%. All right. Now, we can't just say $24.50 times 25%. What we need to do is change the 25% into a decimal so we can multiply. So I got $24.50 times 0.25. All right. And you can use your handy dandy calculator for this one. And what we'll do is say 2450 times 0.25. And that gives you the discount. The discount is 6.125. All right. But since we're dealing with numbers and money, we can't say $6 and 0.125 cents. So what we'll do is we're going to round. And when we round, $6 and 0.125 rounds up to $6.13. All right. So now we're going to take the $6.13 and we're going to take that off of the sale of the total price. So it's $24.50 minus $6.13. All right, and we end up with $18.37. All right, this is the price that you're going to want to put into the answer box. All right, the $18.37. So the cost of shirts after the sale is $18.37. All right, now let's do the same thing with the pants, socks, and backpacks. Okay, if you need to pause the video to write down stuff, make sure you do that so you don't miss anything. I went ahead and set up the pants section, and pants are $32.75 times a 40% discount. All right, so we want to figure out how much are you going to spend for these pants after the discount. So we're going to do $32.75 times 0.40. And we end up with 13.1. Just put a 0 here as a placeholder to show that that's 10 cents. And it would be 13.10. All right. Your answer would have been 13.1, but we have to put it in terms of money. So put that 0 in there for the placeholder to show that it's 10 cents. So now let's take the price of the pants, which is $32.75, and let's take away the discount, which is $13.10. And the sale price of the pants is $19.65. Okay. Now let's do the same thing for socks and backpacks. All right, so we've got socks set up as $4 times the 10% discount. So we're going to take our 4 times 0.10. We can't times it times 10%. We have to change the percent to a decimal so we can do the calculations. And we say 4 times 0.10. And we get 0.4. 0.4 is the same thing as 40 cents. All right. Just put the 0 in there for the placeholder. Okay. That's not 4 cents because the 4 is in the tenths place. It's 40 cents. So let's take our $4 and subtract 40 cents. This is something you do if you were at the store buying something, you wanted to know how much it was on sale to see if you have enough money. And 40 cents off of $4 is 3.6. And we're talking about money. That's not $3.06. It's $3.60 because the 6 is in the tenths place. All right, so we put our answer of $3.60. Right in the sock spot. Okay. All right, let's figure out backpacks. Okay, so backpacks are $18 and they get a 15% discount. So let's take the 18 and multiply it times 0.15. 0.15 is the same thing as 15%, but in order for us to calculate it and multiply, we have to make it a decimal. And that's what we've been doing the past couple weeks. So let's type in 18 times 0.15. And we get 2.7. Okay? 2.7 in terms of money, as you know now, is $2.70. It's not $2.07 because the 7 is in the tenths place. Okay? Now, let's go back to the price of our backpack, which is $18. And let's take the discount off, which is $2.70. And let's see what we get. Oops, I want to do that. I wanted my calculator. There we go. Okay, so $18 minus $2.70 is $15.30. All right. So let's go ahead and put that into our cost. Whoops. Scoot over here. And we have $15 and 30 cents. Okay, so this is pretty much what you're going to be doing for Sophie's, okay? So we figured out shirts, pants, socks, and backpacks all have a different price once they get the discount. All right, so good luck and message me or email if you have any questions. You're going to do the same exact thing for Sophie's box that you did in Alfie's box.